community in Mountain Province is truly notable. You are bound together by your indigenous business, your cultural beliefs and history that defines our identity deeply rooted in our shared values.
The arts are not just acts of consultation. They represent the lives you have touched, the community you have uplifted, and the legacy you continue to build. Let this be a reminder that excellence is not an accident. It is a result of vision, hard work, and deep love for people we serve.
This year's theme, which emphasizes on good governance and community leadership, is particularly timely. Through the efforts of our LGUs, we have seen tangible progress in our respective communities. But as we commemorate this achievement, let us not forget that real progress requires teamwork.